Cylinder-actuated enclosed model. In the open position, the sleeve diameter of the Larox pinch valve is equal to the pipeline diameter, allowing a full 100% flow. Two pinch bars move simultaneously from opposite sides and squeeze the sleeve shut on center line. In the closed position, the valve is tight, even if solid particles collect at the point of closure. The sleeve is the only part of the valve that's in contact with the flowing medium. The sleeve material is selected according to the composition of the medium, temperature, application, and pipeline pressure. Do not use sleeves with higher pressure ratings than necessary. Sleeves with appropriate pressure ratings will ensure maximum service life. Larox valve sleeves have a thick wear-resistant inner lining, several textile reinforcing cord layers, and a wear-resistant outer surface. The valve sleeves are generally supplied with positive opening tags. The opening tags ensure an unobstructed flow in high temperatures, low pressures, and vacuum conditions, and in situations where the valve has been closed for a longer period of time. The sleeve is the only spare part the customer should have in stock to avoid undue process downtime. Other wearing parts are the bushings on the body and actuator spare parts, for example cylinder sealing kits. In normal conditions, they last for many years and can be replaced during a scheduled maintenance shutdown. It's often recommended to store a complete spare valve for the most critical processes. This allows a replacement valve to be installed immediately, minimizing equipment downtime. In critical applications, the pinch valve sleeves should be replaced at set intervals to ensure undisturbed operation. The suitable interval must be determined by process specialists. Before replacing a pinch valve sleeve, clean the area. Stop the flow in this part of the pipeline by closing the isolating valves, open the Larox valve completely, remove the valve requiring a sleeve change from the pipeline. To replace the valve sleeve, open the bolts between the body halves and detach the lower part of the body. If the sleeve has opening tags, detach them from both upper and lower pinch bars. If the sleeve is stiff, detach the lower pinch bar for easy removal. Unscrew the bolts attaching the lower pinch bar. Remove the old sleeve and fit the new one. A code number can be found on the sleeve. At this stage, it's worthwhile to check that more sleeves with the same pressure rating are in stock for future changes. Assemble the valve. Remember to attach the guide plates and opening tags to the valve pinch bars. Check the condition of the seal in between the body halves. Replace if necessary. Always adjust the valve after replacing its sleeve and before reconnecting it to the pipeline. An improperly adjusted valve is not tight, and it may drastically shorten the sleeve's service life. To adjust a valve, close the valve by using the actuator and make the pinch bars parallel by adjusting the nuts on both sides of the actuator fixing plate. The pinch bar is parallel when the strip of light appears equal at both ends. Tighten the nuts until the strip of light practically disappears. Loosen the lower nuts from the fixing plate. The distance required between the nuts and the attachment frame is found in the operational manual. Open the valve with an actuator. Tighten the upper nuts on the fixing plate to enable the squeeze that is sufficient for closing the flow against the pressure in the pipeline. Double-check that no light can be seen through the valve. Return to fully open position. Now the valve is ready to be installed to the pipeline again.